Hi everyone, my name is Larato Mulelang. I'm 20 years old South African woman who has been a victim of a fake modeling scam. I was exploited and publicity humiliated in a manner I did not concern. I did not sign any contract and I was taken advantage of under false pretenses. I'm currently exploring the available legal options to take against the individual involved and the perpetrated agency. I'm also aware of a Facebook account that falsely claims to be associated with me. I wish to place it on record that this account is fake and I'm not responsible for any of the posts made on it. The matter has been reported to the relevant authorities who are currently attending to it. Thank you.
South African Police Service have issued a stern warning to the public regarding a man identified as Ivo Suze, who allegedly operates a fraudulent online casting and recruitment service called African Audition. Now, according to official, Suze uses deceptive advertisements and false promises of modeling or entertainment work to lure women or young girls under the guise of interviews or audition. Once rather victim attended the so-called opportunities, they are reportedly sexually exploited with some auditions or interview recorded and the explicit material subsequently distributed or publicized online. Members of the public are urged to exercise extreme caution through thoroughly verify all recruitment or casting opportunities and immediately report any suspicious approaches or activities to law enforcement agencies. This is a serious matter that poses a direct threat to young women and girls, said SAPS official. We encourage the public to remain vigilant and report any suspicious activity without delay. Now, that young lady which I inserted at the beginning, her name is Lerato Malolang, one of the victims of this man who was lured into this man's hands, the pretense that she was being offered, some sort of a job opportunity. But as a matter of fact, it ended up being a very sexual thing whereby a close video was recorded. Though people were saying that Lerato takes ownership of what she did, she takes narrative and that she intended on entering into a new chapter of her life, which is the adult content creation space. She says that Facebook page does not belong to her. It is a fake Facebook page created by someone under pretenses that it is her, and that because in that page everything, this young lady defends this young man and this old man rather, and says that it is her body, her choices. Now Lerato says that she will cooperate, of course, with the officials, with the law, to get this man, to have this man arrested. She says that she too is a victim of this man, and you guys could see that even though there is a tape that's already out there, she regrets. I think truly she was exploited somehow. What do you guys think about this? Please do engage your thoughts with me in the comment section down below. Also, like this video. Do make sure, of course, that you do subscribe if you haven't yet done so. I'll definitely be seeing you in the next video. Bye.